خلف الأخرى. ارفعوا أبصاركم، الرافال تستعد لكتابة فصل جديد في سماء دبي.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcoming the Rafale solo display, showcasing the exceptional maneuverability as you saw the Rafale aircraft, of course, coming from your left. Rafale, an exhibition held in 2009, the first time they ever joined. This is the only Rafale demonstrator of the French Air and the Space Force participating in air shows in France and around the world. At the controls today is Captain Jean-Brice Millet, embodying the expertise of the French Air and Space Force and the nation's aerospace industry. He operates within the Aquitaine Training Squadron, which trains all Rafale pilots from Saint Dizier Air Base 113.
رافال هي واحدة من أكثر المقاتلات الأوروبية تطوراً، وتعرف بلقب مقاتلة كل المهام أومني رول فايتر، وهذا يختصر قوتها الهائلة في تنفيذ مهام متعددة في طلعة واحدة. تصميم ديناميكي يجمع بين أجنحة أمامية والجناح المثلث.
Watch the power. The Rafale is driven by two M88 engines. The aircraft is built to withstand a maximum load factor of up to positive 9G. The display has a flight duration of 10 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, observe the precision. The Rafale is the spearhead of French combat aviation. This multi-role aircraft is designed for air defense, reconnaissance, and conventional and nuclear strike missions. The dramatic maneuvers you are enhancing, of course, you see are enhanced by canards, the small surface at the front of the fuselage, which work with the fly-by-wire system to improve maneuverability. That's the, of course, accuracy, and controls the aircraft as he's pitching up and does a roll in front of the pavilion, or in front of the center stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let's watch and enjoy these moments of accuracy and agility on this aircraft and the skills of the pilot by Rafale.
سرعة وانسيابية غاية، طائرة تجمع بين الجمال والقوة، بين الرشاقة والدقة، بين التكنولوجيا وروح الطيران. شاهدوا هذا الارتفاع القوي ثم هذا الانعطاف السريع. كل حركة هنا تظهر لماذا تعد الرافال واحدة من أكثر المقاتلات قدرة على المناورة في العالم. راقبوا انسياب الأجنحة الأمامية. هذا التصميم الفريد يمنح الطائرة قدرة مذهلة على تغيير الاتجاه بلمح البصر، ومع كل دوران ومع كل صعود ومع كل اقتراب من الجمهور. تؤكد الرافال أنها ليست مجرد طائرة، بل لوحة فنية مفعمة بالحياة.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we see it from the right, as he's rolling away in front of the center crowd and going up, pitching up once again to get ready for the next maneuver. And we see this accuracy by the pilot. Rafale is participating at Dubai Airshow 2025, bringing us the accuracy and showcasing the skills of the pilot. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the power. Watch this power. The Rafale is driven by this huge engine and beautiful, of course, powerful engine. The aircraft is built to withstand a maximum load of up to positive 9Gs. He has to go through these 9Gs to watch this elite pilot performing the loop. And he goes as fast as he can and bringing the aircraft to its position where it was. A huge loop performed by Rafale, and that's the captain performing all these, of course, with the skills. Captain Jean-Brice Millet, the expert at the French Air and Space Force, the nation's aerospace industry, bringing us this agility, bringing us the skills, showcasing these skills. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the pilots from around the world showcasing their skills at Dubai Airshow 2025. And let's watch from your left. He approaches and does a knife edge. No, it's a steep roll to the left. And roll towards right and left and right, and he goes back into action, repositioning himself to bring us a surprise. Get your cameras ready. This is the pilot. Is going to showcase his skills and the agility of the aircraft, the Rafale. This is, of course, the Captain Jean-Brice Millet performing at Dubai Airshow. Beautiful maneuver as he rolls towards the right, and as he is aligning himself to turn left and then rolls right again and does another turn, stalling and bringing the loops again as he goes away and performs right in front of the center stage, ladies and gentlemen, as he turns and does another loop. Rafale, the captain is very excited as we see the, of course, speed of the aircraft and the thrust that is the engine is creating. Captain Jean-Brice Millet, and he is the captain, of course, performing these maneuvers. Stunning performance by Captain Captain Millet and the entire Rafale solar display team. The Rafale's empty weight is approximately 10 tons, but it can carry a maximum external payload of 9,500 kilograms. Thank you very much for watching Rafale. We are proud to have them, and look at the speed, and this is the angle of attack he's keeping. Almost 70 degrees, almost 70 degrees. Watch this pilot. Slow flight in front of the crowd line, bringing us the agility of the aircraft and showcasing the agility and the skill of the pilot. And Captain Millet is performing this slow flight, high alpha negative attack.
هذه ليست مجرد مناورة، بل إعلان واضح بأن الرافال هي إحدى أكثر الطائرات سيطرة على السماء. اسمعوا هدير المحركات، صوت لا يخطئه السمع، قوة فرنسية خالصة، هندسة راقية، وانفجار طاقي يمنح الطائرة حضورا لا ينسى. لاحظوا كيف تتحرك، كيف تنعطف، كيف تتسارع في لحظة وتتبطأ في لحظة تالية دون أن يخسر ذرة واحدة من الثبات أو السيطرة. سيداتي سادتي، إنها رافال، الطائرة التي تجمع الأناقة الفرنسية بقوة المقاتلات المتقدمة، طائرة تثبت اليوم وهنا فوق سماء العرض. إنها ولدت لتبهر ولتدهش ولتحلق في القمة. الطائرة التي لا تقدم عرضا بل تقدم استعراضا من نار وطاقة وسرعة لا تنسى. شاهدوا الآن ارتفاعا صاروخي، قفزة هائلة نحو السماء تكاد تمزق السحاب. رافال لا ترتفع، رافال تندفع كما لو أنها تنطلق خارج حدود الجاذبية. انعطاف. يا للجنون الهندسة، يا للرشاقة، يا للعجب. تنعطف وكأنها طائرة ورقية، لكنها مقاتلة وزنها أكثر من 10 أطنان. هذا هو الانسياب الفرنسي، هذا هو الفن القتالي في أعلى درجاته. تسارع مفاجئ، صوت محرك يرتفع، اندفاع جديد. رافال تهاجم الهواء وكأنها في معركة، وفي كل حركة تقول لكم: ها أنا هنا، أنا القمة.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we see Rafale coming from your right and about to land, we see the beautiful landing gear. And this is the end of Rafale. We are very proud to have these participants. Many thanks to all the participants who have participated in Dubai Air Show and showcasing their skills, showcasing the agility of the aircraft and the technology that we have today. We are very proud to have them at Dubai Air Show 2025. It's the 19th edition, and we've got more to come. Ladies and gentlemen, we still have